I'm Michael. I'm a second year computer science student and I started my own company called Gain. Gain is a social discount app, so you can claim 25% discounts or more around Swansea on independent venues. First of all, they provided us with funding, so we won a competition for £250, so that helped us get started, set up servers, stuff like that. Kelly's always been there to help us and mentor us. So if we need anything, just drop her an email. She was like, reply really quickly. They provided us with an office space as well, so if we need somewhere to go inside uni and just like not as quiet, so outside the library, you can go there anytime you want. The hackathon was good actually. It was a good experience of like seeing how real people do business as we worked through with Swansea City. So you got to see like their side of the business, what they want, how they could use us, and how they could also help us. Yes, we also did a crowdfunding fat ball on the Wave that's owned by Swansea, and we earned over £400 from that. So it was people from donating, and we also did. They also helped us set up a stall in Fulton to help raise funds that way as well. So it's been really helpful. So now we have money to start marketing as well when we launch. At the Gain app, as they also have a website at www.gainapp.co.uk.